Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. 1. To start, import your video into CapCut and place it on the timeline at the bottom. It's a simple drag and drop process. 2. Add your green screen video as an overlay. 3. Next, add or import your green screen image to CapCut and drag it to the bottom of the timeline. Make sure it's as an overlay, which means it should be above your video in the timeline. 4. Use the chroma key feature to remove the green screen. 5. Here comes the exciting part. Select the green screen image on the timeline and click the cutout button at the top right-hand side. Then, tick mark the chroma key option and choose the green color using the color picker. 6. Adjust the strength and shadows of the video. 7. Once you've selected the green color, adjust the strength and shadows of the green screen to seamlessly remove it and give your video that cinematic shot you desire. 8. Export your video. Once satisfied, export the video in MP4 format with your preferred resolution. You've learned how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching our guide.